Hey there, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We got a great question from Sean in Kentucky, and he wanted to know what's the best way to seal my crawl space vents. Stay tuned. Okay, Sean, you had some great points. You've got a cinder block wall. Should you fill the wall with concrete? Should you put a cinder block in there? How should you seal off that crawl space vent? Well, you can do all those things, but one of the easiest things to do, they make an exterior crawl space vent that's made out of plastic that you can purchase. Slap that dude on there and caulk around it, or maybe even put a masonry screw through it to attach it. The only problem with that is it doesn't insulate. So if you live in a climate where it gets really cold, that thin piece of plastic isn't really going to do a lot of good, or doesn't have an R value that's real good to keep that thermal from transferring into the crawl space. So what we recommend you do is you seal it from the inside with a foam board. We try to go at least an R10, but it depends on your climate. If you're down in Florida, you could probably get away with an R5. If you're up in Minnesota, you may need an R20. But here in Knoxville, we typically use our R10 termite resistant foam board, which, by the way, you can purchase on our DIY store, and I'm going to put a link down below. It gives you 10 pieces pre-cut to fit in a cinder block size space, and then you use either caulk or spray foam around it. We've also made another video about how to air seal vents, and I'll put a link to that down below too. That's a great question. We recommend you use R10 foam board. That way, if for some reason you got to tear it out to do something, you don't have to worry about busting through cement or cinder block in order to do it. So thanks again. Hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.